This plum torte is iconic. It was made famous by a woman named Marion Burroughs for the New York Times in the 80s, and it's super easy to make. So start by creaming together butter and sugar with a little salt until it's light and fluffy. Then add 2 eggs, but do it one at a time, and make sure that the first one's totally incorporated before you add in the next. Scrape down the bowl, mix in the dry ingredients. It's just flour and a little baking powder. Then butter a springform pan, or if you don't have one, you can just line a regular cake pan with parchment, and then spread the batter into a nice even layer. Cut a bunch of plums in half, remove the pits, and then press them cut side down into the batter, kind of just nudging them in however you see fit. The original recipe uses Italian prune plums, but it really works great with any type of plum. Squeeze it with fresh lemon and then top with a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar. Bake at 350 for about an hour or until a toothpick comes out clean, and then allow it to cool down before you cut it. I know it's really hard, but it tastes great warm. It tastes great at room temperature or ice cold. This cake always comes out perfect. It's so easy to make and it's so good. Go make it.